Me and Cavi have spun for days and weeks, years, lure after lure after lure into the ocean and got nothing. But it's that failure that gives you experience. You start seeing this lure doesn't work, this one does. You have to use this leader knot, you need this much braid. How long is your rod? How many months of the year the fish even there? The drag pressure, water temperature, moon phase, how fit are you? Wind and wave direction. Are there any sharks around? What tide are you fishing? Where are you fishing from? The time of day. There's just so many things that go into this. But if you can put them all together, that's when you hook up.
Yeah.
I'd say we spin 5 days a week for about 8 hours a time. And a lot of that, you don't even see fish. You're just casting a super expensive shiny thing into the ocean and winding it back. You learn that the most important factor is time. There's a lot of angry wives and girlfriends and families and friends that just don't understand why the land-based game fisherman does what he does. But I think on face it, it's something that says nothing easy is worthwhile. And if that's the case, land-based game with lures has to be the most worthwhile thing you'll ever do. Sometimes you lose sight of the outside world. You're so focused on that fish. You feel every movement it does, every head shake. You can feel which direction it's going. You can understand your leader's actually wrapped around one side of it, touching its dorsal fin and coming at you. It's a bad angle. What can you do to turn it? You start losing perception of everything else other than your connection to that fish.
Hey, Briggsy, watch out! Oh my god! What's that on?
You can go so far into that state of awareness, or maybe unawareness, that you can lose sight of your safety altogether. You forget what the waves are doing. You're so focused, there's nothing else in the world. And it happened to Cavi.
I made me wait for a set. Hey, look out! Hey, look out, this set's huge!